So I made some changes to the channel. Not the channel, but the on YouTube. So if you look up the channel on YouTube, you can find stuff a little bit easier. Hopefully, because that's never really a thing. You know, most people don't listen. So, and they want to do their own thing. So what I did was, let me show it to you. When you get on YouTube, all right, when you get on YouTube, if you go to the actual channel page, you go to YouTube, you find the channel you want to get on. You get on the channel page, this is the actual channel page, okay? At the very first thing, it says created, oh my goodness, let me hit back. This is a touch screen.
Hope you're having a decent day. I keep getting this question
shut this down.
asked.
Oh my goodness. Shut off. Shut that down. Okay. So on the channel page, okay, there's a subscribe button if you ever want to hit it. Right here, right, says created playlist. If you look, I tried to separate them as best as I can. And from now on, I'm gonna do it like this. So if it's referenced to, say, moisture, you can go and click moisture and bring up all the videos with moisture. If it's a part of my distiller thing where you make your own distilled water, it's in under the distiller and bring up all the videos that does this. My sticker videos, all under stickers. XP 15,000, maintenance video, all my maintenance videos are under maintenance. Not all of them. I tried to put as much as I can. I'm not gonna sit here and take all day to do this. I just try to put as much as I can wherever I can. Okay, my Expo videos, the Melco videos, the Epson 85 videos, the Caesar videos. Again, not everything's in here, but as much as I can are underneath these headings. So if you want to find some of the stuff, and again, there's still videos that's not in here that should be in here because I'm not gonna sit here and do all this stuff. Okay, all right, that's just what I'm doing. And if I ever feel like it one day, I might sit down and put other videos in. But as you can see, I'm doing too much things and I don't have the patience to sit here and do that. When you can just literally do this, watch. If you want to know something about a person's channel, you go to their channel again. You have to go to their channel. On their channel page, in the search bar, you type in, say, 8550. Whoops, wrong place. Let me show you. I did that wrong. So if you go to the videos, right there. You know what? I show you the wrong search button. You need to hit that search button right there. Not the one up here, because I searched entire YouTube, but the one right there. See that little search button? If you click on that, and you type in the videos you want to see, or information you want to see, you type it. Okay? So I type it in, hit the enter button, and it's going to bring up all my videos with 8550 in the heading. Which is this is why it's amazing you have to teach people how to use YouTube. I'm not trying to be mean, I'm not trying to be selfish, but it gets frustrating when you can't try to tell people to look. There's a video for it. There's a video for it. There's a video for it. Go look at this. Go look at that. And then so, oh, I can't find it. I can't find it. I can't find it. And I have to take the time that no one's helping me with. Not getting donations. People are not watching the videos. Not getting nothing from YouTube. Not getting anything from anybody. This is all my time. I'm taking my own time to help people. And it's amazing that I have to sit down and teach people how to use YouTube. And people are complaining that they have to watch the videos that I make. So it kind of makes it kind of pointless for me to be helping people because, look, I'm not trying to be mean and rude here, but I'm going to have to speak truth. Y'all making me want to stop doing this. You're not helping me. Nobody's helping me. Not physically or financially. Nobody's helping me. And I'm doing this because I just want to. And people are pissing me off and aggravating the crap out of me. And all I'm doing is trying to help. Y'all really making me want to stop doing this.
Step up your A game, or you'll be ashamed.